Migration is the chance to realise the value of your project, and it starts from the first moment you are planning your migration. Otherwise, you can get a very expensive mess at the end where people won't use your new system. So it's really important to make sure you have good information governance planned at the very beginning, otherwise people will not be able to locate content, people will not be able to use content, won't be able to be archived, governed or secured. Now, one of the big challenges we hear from companies is what they do with legacy file shares. Companies have hundreds and hundreds of terabytes sitting around in legacy file shares where they know there is content that needs to be migrated, content that needs to be archived. There are business records, contracts, agreements, things of business value that are sitting around. There's sensitive content that needs to be put into an ECMS so it can be appropriately secured and governed as well. And there's a big challenge of how you deal with this mess of a file share. Well, we've got three options in this case. The first option is we can forget about it and just hope for the best. The second thing we could do is we could ask our staff to do it. Yeah, good luck for that. And finally, our other option is to use technology to do it, like what Pingar makes. With technology like Pingar's, you can set up a set of categories that describe your records that you want to keep from your business classification scheme and the sensitive content that you're looking for. And using that, Pingar will trawl through hundreds and hundreds of terabytes on your file shares, and it will pick those documents up wherever they are. So that actually means that it's possible to now deal with hundreds of terabytes of legacy file shares just to extract the content of value that needs to go into your ECMS.